In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default icons in Windows 10 or 11 PC. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So as you can see, this is an example folder. And now if you want to change the icon of any folder, just right-click on it. After that, this will pop up for you. Just go ahead, click on Properties, as you can see, or hit Alt-Enter. After that, just go ahead, click on Customize, which is located at the top right. Then go ahead, click on Change Icon, which is located at the bottom. After that, you can choose one of these icons, or you can go ahead, click on Browse, and choose the icons you have available. So in my case, I'm just going to choose this icon, click on Apply, and then click on OK. And as you can see, the icon has been changed and you can enjoy it from now on. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.